Iran drone Shahed 129. Large, advanced and killer. Iran is now one of the few countries in the world that has a growing trend in the design, development, and construction of various types of UAVs. Given the increasing role of drones in various areas of land, air and sea battles, as well as in many civilian areas, this development is very important. Shahed 129 can be considered as one of the most important models and defense achievements of the Iranian Armed Forces in recent years. It is an Iranian single-engine medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned and armed combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed by Shahed Aviation Industries for the Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC. It has proved Iran's position among the countries that have this technology more than ever. This modern drone is the result of years of efforts by all the young elites of the country's knowledge-based companies and the IRGC Air Force. Shahed 129 is a reconnaissance and combat drone that has 8 meters long, 3.1 meters high, and a wingspan of 16 meters. The drone is made of composite materials and an aluminum structure. The engine of Shahed 129, called Rotax 914, is a turbocharged, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, horizontally opposed aircraft engine with air-cooled cylinders and water-cooled cylinder heads, and is capable of carrying force-added 345 smart missiles weighing a total of 400 kilograms. Hejizadeh, commander of the IRGC Aerospace Force, noted that this capability was added in early 2015. This model is completely recognizable with the dune-shaped beak and is similar in size, shape, and role to the American MQ-1 Predator. The addition of satellite navigation capability makes it possible to increase the operational range of the drone without the need to increase the number of ground stations. On December 7, 2019, the naval model of Shahed 129 named Simurgh was unveiled in the presence of Deputy Chief of the Army for Coordination, Rear Admiral Habibullah Sayari, and Admiral Hossein Khanzadi, commander of the Navy in Khan-Iraq. Other features of Shahed 129 include accurate targeting with a radius of 1,700 kilometers, a flight 25,000 feet, 7620 meters, a 24-hour flight duration with each refueling, very low cost of missions, and the ability to land at all airports. It is designed in such a way that all kinds of equipment can be installed on it and can also be used effectively in controlling road traffic and natural resources. The Shahed 129 drone can be flown from a road without any special capabilities and at the same time can be controlled from a control center the size of the cabin of a trailer. The control and guidance of the Shahed 129 is done remotely by ground control centers. The optical system of the drone has the ability to detect 211 kilometers around and at night, day, and all weather conditions, and give the commanders clear photos. The missions defined for the Shahed 129 drone include operational reconnaissance, destroying enemy positions and photographing positions, and sending them to the command center for final decision. Since the cost of each flight hour for fighters is $11,000, this drone can be an economic solution for reconnaissance and combat missions at a cost of 111,000 tomans per hour.